Good early post spectacular, cloudy, increasingly dark day in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area. This is a quick gold update. I expect to have a big week in gold, or a big month in gold, right? I went over this briefly yesterday. I'm going to go over it briefly today. The exact opposite of what's going on in the Bitcoin world. We just broke out of a monthly falling wedge, or a bear pennant, or a bull pennant, a monthly bull pennant. And we broke out here with a nice pump. And we had a nice pump in volume, right? You see that? Then after the pump, we've had descending volume to here, right? And we had a down and sideways consolidation, very bullish. Now we have pumping volume again on this last pump, right? See that? Bullish. And then now we have crashing volume and a down and sideways consolidation, very bullish. As we're meeting and getting squeezed by the 50 and 200-day moving average underneath in the 30-minute, I think it's going to force the price up soon. And I think we're about to have a big move up in AAU. Right, I went over that extensively. GPL's had a phenomenal couple of weeks for me, and it's trying to break out of a bear or a bull pennant after it broke out of a head and shoulders bullish reversal pattern in the monthly. Then it consolidated down into a 2-month bull pennant, or bull. I call it a bull pennant, and now we're trying to break it. Right, you've seen it pump and break through, and we had pumping volume. Look at that volume. See that? See that volume right there? Look at that. Let me see if I can make that big. Let me see if it's as big as it can go. No, let's make this brighter, because you guys need to see this. See that? Look how big that volume is. As you went from your low with crashing volume, bullish, to pumping and breaking through this upper downsloping resistance in our bull flag and pumping volume, very bullish. Then the volume crashed and you down and sideways consolidated and retested that lower support now that used to be upper resistance in the bull flag, and then the volume pumped bullish and the price pumped, right? And now you're trying to continue the pump. And I think in GPL, it's my second biggest holding as a company. I think you're about to pump up. And if we zoom out, you can see this bull flag that I think we just broke out of. We started in close, so you can see where we're at. Usually I start out far away, but I already know the pattern. See that? That's a bull flag, a bull pennant. He said, well, what the fuck's the target move out of a fucking bull pennant, you jabroni? You never show me bull pennants. They're always this fucking bearish shit, and I'm getting the shit kicked out of me, right? You go from the bottom of the flag or pennant to the top of the pole, and then you come to the point of a breakout. Yeah, it should be in a straight angling line. But say you broke out there and you confirm it, your target by the end of the year is way up, way up here, right? I think by summertime, by the end of summer, GPL's retesting this upper, here, we're going to make this look better. By the end of summer, Great Panther Mining is going to retest this upper major resistance, right, at $1.10 to $1.20. And I think it's going to fight through that, and it's going to fulfill this target of the bull pennant. And I think by the end of the year, you're coming up here to the $1.30 to the $1.50 range. And that's what I'm playing right now. I'm not selling anything up here. I'm waiting till this bull pennant confirms before I start unloading any of my GPL, because I have a lot of it, and I've been doing fantastic because I was buying in. I actually bought in way back there, and then I started buying again here, and on the breakout, right? Because I see the pattern that we're in, the bull flag, and that's your target way up there. Roscon Gold is my speculative prospecting mine company. Had a phenomenal day yesterday. It's had a phenomenal couple months. I was buying here, and here. Right now, it pumped yesterday. It's been picking up in volume, right? Price has been steadily going up. It hasn't been doing one of these real quick. It's just been steadily going up because they're a prospecting company. They got big claims next to B2 Gold, Barrick Gold, and Yamaha Gold, right? Roscon Gold's a good speculative company. Anything below $1, you can stack up on that. Really, anything below 70 cents. But it's a long-term play. You got to be very patient. Years. I'm playing on that one day. Yes, one day. Just like Jim Harbaugh may subscribe to my YouTube channel, my radio show, Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, so I can help him sidestep, yes, the Ohio State University, the criminal gangster cartel that has infiltrated the United States federal government in order to knock down a retail trader into a state of submission and government dependency. Jim Harbaugh, peace and love. Subscribe, like to my radio show. and I will help you sidestep the criminal gangsters at the Ohio State University. But you got to have patience with Roscon Gold. They're trying to become a junior mining company. They're a prospecting mining company. They're very good financials, very good setup, very good management, solid CEO, one of the best in the business, and I'm throwing my faith behind him. And I think in a few years, they will be, yes, junior mining companies, and that company will be dollars per share when I bought it for less than 50 cents, right? And I'm going to wrap this up with B2 Gold. You can see the bull flag, right? The exact opposite of what's going on in crypto. We got the pumping volume, bullish. Then we have crashing volume, sideways and down consolidation, and a bull flag, very, very bullish. And now we're trying to break out of it. And if we can confirm the breakout, your target's way, way up there. It's going to trade, and then it'll come back down, then it'll go up. It's going to trade up there. So you could pump here, then you come back down, then you pump up, then you come back down, then you pump up, and then you shoot, right? It's going to do one of those. But I think by the end of the summer, we're going to be up here as we get in the fall. And I think by the end of the year in B2 Gold, we're going to be way, way up here at our target of this bull flag, about $10. Like, subscribe, and share major crypto updates to come. I hope you heeded my warnings yesterday on the dead cat bounce, the jabroni bounce, as I call it, because the jabronis got suckered in, right? But you're not a jabroni. You're Vincenzo money. Jabroni, Vincenzo. Rod the pump, right? Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Targetian Trading Alert. Peace and love. Smooth Jazz 106.2 AM FM on those about to die. Fire, we salute you. Those about to rock. Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and